Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the heart and soul of my Harley, breaking down the jaw-dropping modifications that turn this beast into a powerhouse of performance and style. Let's get into it. First up, under the hood, we've got a rebuilt 124 cubic inch S&S Evo engine. Big cams, upgraded internals, boasting a whopping 140 horsepower. And if that's not enough, engage the nitrous for an insane 190 horsepower burst. Fueling this monster is a tuned Mikuni HSR45 carb, fine-tuned with a 95 needle, Y8 needle jet, 32.5 idle jet, and a 182 main jet, complemented by a K&N air filter for optimum airflow. Shifting gears smoothly is a 6-speed S&S transmission paired with a heavy-duty clutch, and starting it all off, a 2 kilowatt CompuFire starter gets this beast roaring. The Vance & Hines big radius exhaust ensures it sounds as mean as it performs. The Dynatech ignition, RevTech dual coils, and performance leads and plugs keep the fire alive. But wait, there's more. Dual cylinder nitrous oxide show kit with 50 horsepower fogger injector. When you need that extra kick, just hit the button. Moving to the exterior, check out those extended chrome forks and the raked triple tree giving it that aggressive stance. Illuminating the path is a bullet front headlight, while the front and rear fenders add a touch of classic Harley style. Rolling on chrome rims with a 21-inch front wheel, this ride demands attention. The burly 16-inch tall, 2-inch thick highball chrome handlebars with matching controls and mirrors provide the perfect grip. A custom fuel tank adds a unique touch, and let's not forget the snakeskin leather solo seat for that extra flair. Extended chrome forward controls, lowered dual rear suspension, and a widened rear swing arm to accommodate the 200mm wide rear wheel round out these incredible body modifications.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god. They call me a god. Working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready.
There you have it folks, a Harley that's not just a bike but a work of art and power. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit subscribe for more adrenaline fueled content. Ride safe.